Okay, so here we are. That's two gusset pieces joined together, and as you can see, I've pressed them but I've removed the foam so it lays nice and even and flat. So what I've done here with the piece that we were discussing earlier is I've started pinning the piping. What I forgot to mention with piping, it's a really good idea because of the flexibility side of things, is to just chop your corners, sort of, you see that? Trim little nicks into them so it makes it easier to turn. Then you can clip that to your layers and get the nice round edge that you're going to need. So if you go ahead and clip your piping all the way around first to your exterior pocket and your main body, then take your gusset piece that you just got, and with the centre here, the centre of the bottom of your bag and the centre of your gusset piece, so line these up here, centre to centre, and then clip all those layers together. There's it. Then when you're ready you can go ahead, all the layers, you can go ahead and start stitching all the way around. So you need to clip the whole of this gusset piece all the way around your bag and top stitch it. So a bit messy to show you on the camera, but once that's all clipped all the way around, you can have it standing up and proud. You're then going to top stitch all the way around, and we'll come to the next stage, which will be to repeat the same with the other back piece. So flipping it over, getting your other exterior piece, but we'll get to that bridge when we come to it. So let's get this piece on. Okay. This piece on here, and then we'll be repeating the same with the piping, with the piece of the back pocket. That'll be going on the other side, and we're going to get something that starts to look like a bag. And then we're going to repeat those exact same steps with the lining but without the piping, so that'll be super easy. So I'm going to get on with this next bit of stitching and I'll show you where we're up to next.